Now let's go to the example 2 of the LCM and HCF, the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. Okay, of the example. The second example says that find the quotient and product of the LCM and HCF of 70 and 126. Write them down, please. Write them down. Let me start again. The next example. Find the quotient and product of the LCM and the HCF of 70 and 126. Let's go to the solution on pause. That's what we want to go and do. Okay, let's go there. Let's go there. Okay, quotient. Okay. Okay. Now, let's do it now. Now we're asked to find what's the quotient now. Because of base we're asked about of 70 and 126. Now, what do? You place write your table, you just write it again. Write 70, you give space, write 126. Okay. Now, what will go conveniently here is 2. 2. You put it 2. You draw a line here behind it, by the left side of that figure. Okay. Of the lowest magnitude. Okay. Of the Now, 2 will gives you 35. If it goes into 126, okay, it gives you 63. Then the next figure that will come, that conveniently go without remainder, always have at the back of the line, is 7. 7. If 7 goes into 35, it gives you 5. If it goes into 63, it gives you 9. Therefore, the HCF, the highest common factor there is 2 times 7, which is 14. Okay, this is the highest common factor here. HCF. Look at it. 2 and 7 behind this our figures here. Okay. Now 2 times 7 give you 14. Then the lowest common multiple here is equal to bracket close. You have 2 times 7 bracket open rather. So 2 times 7 bracket close times bracket open or close rather 5 times 9 brackets close. Now it is equals to 630. Okay, 330. Because you are going to where you want to do the multiplication, you just go and say LCM, or if you like, you say LCM is equals to 2 times 7 times. It's just to differentiate them from each other. That's all. That there's no hard and fast rule about it. Okay, so those are the distance. So if you agree that the rules are still apply, except that a multiplication, except where there is subtraction and addition. Okay, where the negative, which is the addition or the subtraction, will take preeminence. Okay, so apart from that, there is no hard fast rule here. So you just simply say 2 times 7 times 5 times 9. Okay, or you say 2 times 7. Then this times this, you multiply them, it gives you all the same, 630. Therefore, okay, the quotient of LCM is, you can see, I've broken them now. This is the broken, 2 times 7 times 5 times 9, all over 2 times 7, which is therefore, if you multiply this and multiply this, you divide them, it gives you, it's equals to 45. That's the answer. Now, that is the quotient of the LCM. Now, what about the product of the highest common factor, HCF? Now, let's find the highest common factor right now, the product. And the product, okay, of highest, that's HCF, highest common factor, and the lowest common multiple. Okay, multiple is equals to 14. Okay, times 630. That's the 14. This is 14 of the highest. This is the answer we got before. That's our highest common factor, which is equal to 2 times 7, which is 14. Okay, now that product is therefore 14 Therefore, our LCM of that's the quotient and the LCM is equal to what? 14 times 630. Okay? That's our LCM according to the rule. Obey the rule. That's it. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2, that's 2 times 7 times 5 times 9 gives you 6. 630. So, therefore, and the product of HCF and the LCM is equal to 14 times 630, which is equal to 8,000. 8,000. That's what you get. 8,820. That's our answer. Thank you. Keep coming. See you next day when we come for class again. Invite your friends. Comment, likes, subscribe. Get friends. Ask questions. Thank you. Till I see you next time in the class. Woo!